Hey church family, it's Friday afternoon at about 2:49 and we've got some updates for you. This is a COVID update. It's been a while since we've had to do any real COVID updates except for the announcements that we've been making Sunday morning from the platform. But in light of the recent government regulations that are coming down and recommendations that are coming down with the spike in cases pretty much all across Canada, our Alberta government is making new recommendations when it comes to social gatherings and church events and all of those things. And even though technically we fall outside of the watch areas, we do want to be diligent to do our part and take care of one another. So we are making a few changes, and the Alberta government is making these recommendations for a 2-week window, and effective yesterday or today, I'm not 100% sure. And so what we want to do is we want to look at a 2-week window and make some changes for that 2-week window. And then depending on what the Alberta government says after that 2-week window, we will either readjust back to where we are, or even furthermore, if the government is satisfied with where things are in terms of COVID cases and where that's at. So with that in mind, we do want to make you aware of some postponements. We did have a men's breakfast planned for tomorrow morning that included families, and so we are postponing that. Does not fall within the recommendations and the guidelines that they're asking us to follow for 2 weeks. And we are also postponing home church, which includes tonight and the next 2 Friday nights after that. So 3 consecutive Friday evenings postponed or canceled for home church. And youth group is also canceled for the next 2 Tuesdays and Wednesdays. And Pastor Aaron has made an update to the youth about that, but as a general church update, we're including that with this video here. And the prayer seminar that was scheduled for next Saturday morning is also postponed. So all of those will be TBA, to be announced, as far as when we're going to host those events. We're gonna have to figure that out in terms of ministry calendar. After these 2 weeks, we're getting close to Christmas season, so we're gonna have to evaluate what that looks like. But you will be the first to know once we make those decisions together as staff. One other quick update, this Sunday, as in 2 days from today, we're going to carry on as we have with our normal worship services, with the normal COVID-19 regulations in place, with the sanitizing, the bathroom policy, the arrows on the floor, the flow of traffic, and the social distancing in cohort families, just as we have been talking about for the last number of months. But the following Sunday, we're going to implement something slightly new. And what we're going to do is we're going to have at the entryway table where the sanitizing station is, we're going to have colored stickers that we're going to ask people to put on their shirt. And there's just going to be 3 simple color codes, green, yellow, and red, just like a traffic light. So green essentially means I am okay. And if you want to shake my hand, if you want to touch my elbow, if you want to lean in closer for a conversation, I am okay with you doing so. And yellow simply means I want to maintain healthy distance. I want to both to be safe and honoring. And red means either A, I work in an industry that may not be as safe, so I need to maintain my distance in order to keep coworkers or relatives or even people in our lives that are immunocompromised. We want to keep them safe, especially during this 2-week period. So that's going to be coming next Sunday. This Sunday, 2 days from now, will be a regular Sunday, as we have been doing. And the following Sunday, we're going to be adding the addition of these stickers. So you decide which sticker you're going to want to wear. That's just a clear indication to the people around you where you are, and we don't want people to be confused or to get mixed signals with body language about what's okay and what's not okay, and we do want to respect one another that way. So if you're a green and you see someone wearing a yellow, please don't jump on them and hug them and do all of those sorts of things. We want to be respectful of one another, and so that measure is going to come for a minimum of 1 Sunday, and we're most likely going to keep it. We're not 100% sure. Again, with the changes in recommendations from our Alberta Health, we want to keep a watchful eye on things, and we want to do our part to make this 2-week window the best it can be to keep a lid as much as we can on the spread of COVID. So if you do have any questions, please contact the church office. Please contact us directly if you can, and we'd be happy to answer any questions you have. We love you, and we do want to be